this video, I'm gonna walk you through how you can earn money by watching videos and uploading video. Yes, you heard that right. You can earn money by watching videos and uploading videos. Actually, you are not going to earn money. You can earn cryptocurrencies. Then you can convert them into your currencies. It should be dollars, pound, Australian dollars, doesn't matter. You can earn these cryptocurrencies and you can earn money out of it. And this is the best alternative for YouTube. So if you watch the video until the end, I will walk you through the entire step how you can upload videos and what type of content is eligible to make money, and the different ways to make money on lbry TV. Yes, this website is called lbry TV. Before that, I make videos on money making, money saving. I try to upload a video every day, so watch the videos, like, subscribe and share the videos. Also, if we do that, you can win £10 PayPal money. If you watch this video until the end, there's a massive Black Friday deal I'm gonna tell you about, guys. So you can use that software to make videos for your YouTube channels or lbry TV or Daily Motion or any other social media. So watch the video until the end. So lbry TV is an open platform. It's the same technology behind the cryptocurrencies, so decentralized platform. So you can upload any videos and you can make money. Unlike YouTube, it doesn't require any requirements, and there are certain guidelines that you have to follow. Other than that, you can earn these cryptocurrencies and you can make money. It is cryptocurrency called lbry credit. You can say lbry TV, lbry credit. If you go to the coin exchange, that you can say lbry credit. So one credit is equal to 0.02, which is the same money that you're gonna get per one view. So if I go to YouTube and type what is average money that you can earn per one view, so 1,000 views, you can earn between $3 to $5. So according to that YouTube, that you can earn between 1 to 3 cents per view. So the same thing that you can earn here, exactly fixed amount, whatever the video that you upload, and per credit that you can earn 0.02 cents per views per credit. So again, it's the best alternative to YouTube, and you can use it today for free, join it for free and work worldwide, guys. So this is my dashboard that you can see. This is my available balance, and on the right hand side you can see it's called tips, which means whenever the people watch videos, so these are the videos on here, they can open any videos, and if they click tip, like on a YouTube, that when they do a live chat, you can tip money to the creator. It's the same thing. So if you come down to the bottom, and there's a button called tip, and I can't find it on here, so I can post this video here at the moment. There's a repost support. If I click support, maybe I can, you can do that. It is not showing at the moment here. Actually, you can tip the creator money if you want, and you can earn money. So if any of your viewers view your videos, if they like the videos, they can tip the money. And there's a stake, mean you're gonna keep your money inside the lbry, and you can this is the good thing if you want to collect the cryptocurrency for a very long time. I'm gonna explain what is mean by stake in a minute, guys, so watch it carefully. So this is my dashboard. I already explained. You can see all the transaction here, how much credit that you earn. So as a viewers, so if you don't want to upload any videos, how you can earn money while watching videos or doing some task on here? All you have to do is click the icon here and click reward section, and it will open to this page. Every single day they have some kind of thing that you can do. You can do channel surfing. If you save on a channel and you earn 75 credit, and if you watch one video every single day, that you can earn between 0.25 to 100 credit. So if you are lucky, you can earn 100 credit per one view. Depends, guys. So you can do all things. You can invite here, so I put the link in the bottom of the description. Go and join lbry TV. If you join, I earn some credit from that. So you can do this thing and earn credit. Then you can keep this credit in your account, like I showed you before. This is your dashboard. You can keep this credit in your account, and you can exchange it for if you collect more points. Or at the same time, if you upload videos, you can use this. You need to use some of your credit. I'm gonna show you why. You can upload your videos and you can promote your videos using your credit. this credit won't be disappeared. I'm going to show you why again. And you can boost your videos using your credit, and you can earn lots of more money. So first, what you already understand what the lbry and your dashboard, and you can earn money by watching videos, serving and everything. Now I'm going to walk you through how you're going to upload videos and earn money. So all you have to do is click this button, this icon here. Before that, you can go to your icon and click channels. Inside there, you can add multiple channels you want for different niche. You can create a different channels. This is a channels created automatically when I create my account. This is actual my channels. This is actually exactly a copy of my YouTube channel. Here you can see this already have 219 subscribers, and I am using that channels to upload videos from there to here. So already I create the channel. I already upload one videos. What I have to do, click this upload sign and click upload. And what you have to do, you need to select the file from your computer. It's the same thing that you do with the YouTube, a little bit different, but it's not, don't overcomplicate any of the step. What you do, upload that video, and you can see it's so much faster than YouTube. Now what you have to do, same thing, copy and paste the title, description and tags from your YouTube video. So after you copy the title, description, thumbnail, again similar to YouTube, you can use a actual video as a thumbnail. You can select the scene from the video. If you don't want, again you can go here and upload your YouTube thumbnail from here. It's the same thing, guys. It's the same diamond and everything, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, after you upload that thumbnail, you have to come down to this option. Here you can select 5 tags. When I create my channels, I put these are my actual tags, like a gadget, science and technology, because that channels is like a top 10 fact, right? So I can select the cat. Okay, I can select this video is about MLM, multi-level marketing, MLM. So you can add like that, and you can say a fact. You can say that. You can say top 10 videos, select that, and you can select knowledge, something like that, or if there's nothing, no tags on that, you can select marketing. So you can select up to 5 tags from that. On here you have to select which channel you want to publish, or you can go to new channels. This is the channel I want to do that here, and this is your link for your video. And here deposit, this is which I talked before. If you earn points, you can see this is the points that you already have, the credit that you have. You need to put 0.01 into your video. That money is always there. It doesn't disappear because you deposit that money to bring your videos there. There's other way that you can publish your video without any deposit. I'll walk you through that. Or you can do 0.01. You can earn that money and you can keep that money here. And here you need to select 2 things: free or add a price to the file. So I always go at the price to wire up file. If you do a tutorial and everything, you can do it there. Here you can select how much credit you can go with a bigger credit. I always get 1 credit. Okay, like I said before, 1 credit is equal to 0.02 cents. That means each view can get 1 credit, and that is equal to that. So whenever your video get 1,000 views, you can earn $2 to $3 dollars. It's the same thing, right? So what you do after that is select the price, and here and come here and click upload, and you can see this is the upload process, and this is the transaction fee for that video, and click upload and your video will be uploaded. You can see the uploading time is so much faster than the YouTube. All right, now you understand the upload process. All you have to do now, if you go to bottom here and click, and if you come here, come down to your dashboard and see YouTube partner program. If you click this one, you can link your YouTube account with a lbry TV. So once you put your ID here, and it will automatically link your YouTube channel. So you see I already tried to link this YouTube channel here. And what happen is, whenever you publish a video on YouTube, it's automatically publish the video on here. And again, you don't have to do anything, it's automatic process. But at the moment, I can join my channel with lbry TV because my content is a little bit different. Make money online are not allowed on here. So you can see copyright works, illegal contents, and sexual contents actually they don't talk about this abuse here, but they don't talk about sexual content here. And you got spam. These videos are not allowed. These videos cannot be, they allowed, but they cannot be monetized, so you can't make money out of it. Again, like creative comment content cannot be monetized here, but you can do other way to make money. I'm going to walk you through that in a minute, guys. So this is how you can do. You can earn money by watching videos. You can earn money by uploading videos. When you collect enough credit that you want to exchange that credit for cash, you need to visit a site like a traditional exchange site. So they already give you a couple of them. What you have to do is you can go to these sites. Like the first one is called Bittrex, globalbittrex.com. That you can exchange your lbry credit to Bitcoin. Then from Bitcoin that you can change to any currency that you want. So all you have to do is you have to create an account with bittrex.com. Then you have a wallet ID that you can use that wallet ID to transfer the credit from lbry. This is the thing you have to do with it here. Now, how you can earn, how you can create a video for lbry TV? There's two things I'm gonna do. First thing, I'm gonna use Vidnami to create contents. It's the same thing I used to create content for this YouTube channel. So if you are interested in top 10 video, go to this channel. It's called Daily Dose Effect. I also put the link in the description. Join the channels, make that to 300 subscribers so I can test it out if I can join this channel with the lbry TV. If I can, if you want, guys, you can subscribe to the channels. Like I said, Vidnami uses a automatic softwares to add pictures and videos and auto voice to make videos. And most people say YouTube cannot allow or YouTube not allowing for monetization for that automatic voice, but I don't know, because most of the channels doing that and they're earning money. I know that, so that's why I'm creating this channel. You can see from here I am uploading video every other day continuously to grow that channels, and let's see in the future if we're able to bring that to monetization. So this is one way that you can do it. Go to Vidnami and create it. And if we join Vidnami today, only for 3 days, you can see normally they give 25% off, but for the Black Friday until 27th midnight, you can get 40% off Vidnami. You can get 40% off for the live, guys. So you can go and join it today for 40% off. And if you click the link in the description, or also add this one called YouTube SEO cheat sheet that you can download it for free, guys. And the second one is I'm trying at the moment is Amazon affiliate. You can download a product video from Amazon and join them to make a video, and you can do affiliate marketing with lbry. Even though your channel, just in case if your videos are not eligible for monetization, that you can earn money by affiliate marketing. So you can see it from here. There's videos they talk about the gadgets here, tutorial videos about the gadgets, a review video of the gadgets. So you can upload the video. If your video is not eligible for monetization, you can make money from affiliate marketing, guys. So thanks, guys, for watching. And if we want to win a 10-pound PayPal money, all you have to do is subscribe, like, and share. And if this video get 100 like, I will do the giveaway in the next video. Also, today is the 24th. I will pick a winner for the second giveaway. I will announce that in the new video, guys. Until that, have a good day. See you next video.